Okay, so we are going to discuss our self-practice 5.3D over here. In the diagram on the right, triangle K is the image of triangle H under the combined transformation PQ. Describe transformation P and transformation Q. Okay, if you look over here, it's going to involve what? With our N enlargement, isn't it?
Yes.
But this one, if you look there, for B describe a single transformation means that we are going to say about enlargement straight away. But for this one, you are going to have, for our combined transformation is going to be what? The translation, isn't it? Because you are going to have the same orientation, right? It's not going to be rotation or reflection because we have our same orientation for our object to our image there. So means that I'm going to have first for my transformation P here. Hey. Why I cannot? Okay. Oh. For transformation P here, I'm going to have a not enlargement. Enlargement is going to be Q. Q is going to be enlarged. So means that what transformation that you are going to have same orientation? Translation. Okay, translation mana ada center? Translation they are going to have a vector, isn't it? AB. Transformation. No, this one is transformation. Transformation they are going to have four. Translation, rotation, reflection, and enlargement. Right? So this one, first thing first, I'm going to have from my H here become to our K here. Okay, so I'm going to have all the vertices here. Okay, so I'm going to have my blue one there, the blue point there. Okay, so means that I'm going to move to the right or left if I'm going to have my image over here. Yep, we are going to have right 1, 2 unit to the right, so it's going to be positive 2. Then we are going to have 1, 2, 3, negative 3. So means that our translation over here, I'm going to get 2, negative 3 first. After I have that one, I'm going to enlarge. For enlargement, you are going to have two properties, which is scale factor and also center of our enlargement. Okay, so if I have over here 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, so this is my green one. The orange one is going to be 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. This is my orange one. So means that from H just now, I'm going to have this one as my first image under our translation. From here, I'm going to get this one. After that, I'm going to enlarge. If you look there, my what point is not going to move? The blue one, isn't it?
Yeah.
The green one is going to be here. The orange one is going to be here.
Yeah,
right. So means that this is going to be
center.
the center. Okay, how about our scale factor?
2.
How do you know 2? Yes, because if you look over here, we are going to have our image here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And for the image here, you have 1, 2, isn't it? So it means that to get our enlargement here, you are going to say that enlargement with scale factor K here is going to be 4 divided by 2. You get 2. At the center, what is our? 5, 4, correct. 5, 4.
Yes.
Okay? PQ.
P yang
Means that we are, oh sorry. Betul. This one right? We have to do Q first then P kan? Q, P. Sorry. Q is translation, thank you. And P is going to be our enlargement. Okay, please follow the transformation given over there. PQ. Okay, now describe a single transformation which is equivalent to the transformation PQ. Straightway enlargement. Okay, how did we are going to have our enlargement here? Okay, I'm going to have, so means that I'm going to have the same one just now. Blue, green, and also orange. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to, yes, to find our center of enlargement. Because we are doing only one transformation over here. One. Tukar warna. Two. Here. So you got already your what? The center here. That you are going to have what over here? This is our center of enlargement, isn't it? For both of our line there is going to be intersect at one point there, which is 110. 110 here. This is going to be our center of enlargement. So the scale factor, is it going to be the same?
Yes.
Is it going to be the same?
Yes.
Yes, it's going to be the same. So you are going to have over here for our B. Okay, for our B here, we are going to have enlargement. Yes. With scale factor first or enlargement? Enlargement with scale factor first lah. With scale factor, which is our K lah. Okay. Is to at the center 110. Done for B. For C, given that the area of triangle K is what? K is this is going to be our image. So this one is going to be area of image given. Calculate the area in unit square of triangle H. So triangle H is what? Our area of object. Remember the formula?
Yes.
What is that?
Area of image equal K square.
So you are going to have the jangan gaduh, relax. The area of image equals to K square times with the area of object. So the questions given to us, image. Did we have our scale factor?
No. Yes.
Got K just now. Tiba. Okay. So what you are going to have over here, this is our image. 10 equals to 2 square times. Did we have our area of object? No, that one what we are going to find for our H. Can girls?
Yes.
So how? Darab. 2 square bring to the left side. You are going to get our H here is going to be 10 over 4 or 5 over 2 unit square. Done. Okay, next, number 2. The diagram on the right shows a plan of a water theme park. The color region is for water tunnels. The hexagonal regions P. Mana dia regions P? Oh, there. And Q are food courts. Oh, means that our food court is going to be our object, right? Ya ke?
Betul.
During the construction of the water theme park, the architect used the concept of transformation. Nampak tu, architect pun guna transformation to design the plan such that Q is the image of P under dia dah bagi tahu ni, under a reflection, and the hexagon A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime, E prime, F prime is the image of P under the combined transformation UV. Determine the axis of reflection. Okay. So if you look over there, which one is going to be our axis of reflection? Okay, let me see. This one is going to be A, B, C, D, E, F. So I'm going to get A and B here. So when we are going to have the reflection, so means that at up here, I'm going to get my A. This one, for our B here, is going to be down here. Agree? Kan? Reflection. Means that the F over here, you are going to get this one. Reflection kan? Kan? So how did we want to determine our axis of reflection? I'm going to first I'm going to draw a line, count how many units, and then divided by 2. Okay, so please take out your ruler. Okay, wait. I'm gonna have this one for my F here. How many units that you have over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 divided by 2, 2.5.
Yes.
1, 2.5. So I'm gonna get over here.
Yes.
In the middle there. Same goes to A, point A here. If you look at point A here also, I'm going to have, okay, let me enlarge this one. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's going to be 2. Yalah, from A to A. A to... Tak nampak eh? A here, I'm going to get the point A here. Because it's going to be reflect, right? Reflect means that it's going to be opposite the orientation. Kan?
Betul.
Macam awak tengok cermin lah. Takkan bayang-bayang awak kat belakang. Kat depan lah kan? So I'm going to count first the length from our object to the image. Okay? And then it's going to be divided by 2. I got over here 2.5 here. This one 4. So divided by 2, I'm going to get 2. So this one already kita dah dapat dah the axis of reflection. So the axis of reflection here, I'm going to get, what is it? This one. Y equals to negative x, isn't it? Kan? Y equals to negative x. Why did we have y equal to negative x? If sebab dia punya, apa kita panggil? Kalau y equals to x, it's going to be inclined to the right. Isn't it? This one, the inclination is going to be to the left. So, it's going to be negative. Tahu tak ni?
Tahu.
Tak faham? Ni. This one is your axis of reflection. Alamak, kejap. Tengah-tengah. Macam cermin. Memang cermin. Reflection memang cermin. Bukan macam. This is our axis of reflection. Dah, kenapa saya punya axis of reflection tak betul ni, kejap. Kan? Okay, axis of reflection is going to be over here. I'm going to say y equals to negative x. Why it didn't have y equals to x? If y equals to x, it's going to be like this. Ke kanan kan? Like that. Can girls? Can, girls? Okay, so we have over here determine the axis of relation. I'm going to get y equals to negative x over here. Okay, describe a transformation U. Okay, just now is what? Transformation V. V is a reflection. And after you refract from P to Q, you are going to enlarge. So, if you look over here, oh, girls, if you look, our AB is going to be on the left side. Kan? Dia tertukar pula. So, kalau tertukar maksudnya apa? Enlargement. Still enlargement, but it's going to be what? Negative. Saya mana kau apa pula? Saya tak kata apa-apa pun. Okay. So over here, kan, class. First, you have your reflection, kan? This one is going to be our AB. Is also AB here, kan? Kan? So now, next, what you are going to have over here, your AB here, the image, the first image you have after your transformation V just now, is going to be A prime, B prime is over here.
Yes.
So it's going to be negative for our what? For our what? For our scale factor. Macam tak faham je ni. Memang tak faham. Jujur, bagus. Okay. Mula-mula P dapat Q, faham tak?
Faham.
Under what?
Reflection.
Okay. Where's your AB just now? AB become this one. Am I right? Kan? Now, after you have your image for Q here, you are going to have your enlargement. But what did you notice over here? Your point A, the blue one here, is going to be enlarged to this one. B here, enlarged to this one. So, it's going to be negative for your scale factor. Faham tak? Rasanya sama je kan? Okay. So, our scale factor is going to be negative. How about the object and image over here? So, the image here, I'm going to have how many this one? Image is macam separuh je ni. Okay. The full one over here, I'm going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, isn't it? Girls, this is good. How to find our scale factor? The length of image over the length of object. So I'm going to find the length of my image first. So this one, I find the perfect one is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. This one got half, this one got half, means that it's going to be 1, so 5 over there, right? Faham tak? 5 for our image. How about our object? 1 only? 2. Which one? Yeah, AB kan? 1, 2. Kan? So, what you are going to get?
2.5. 5 over 2.
Negative 5 over 2 kan? Why negative?
Sebab dia posisi dia.
Bukan position, dia punya orientation. Orientation.
2.5.
Bukan 20. Okay. So describe transformation U over here. The reflection is going to be our what? V. This one. This is V transformation. For our U here, you are going to have enlargement. Enlargement apa? With scale factor. Factor negative 5 over 2, right? Or negative 2.5. 5 over 2 lah kita ambil. Not 2.5. Okay? Where is going to be our center here? Center is going to be where? If you look over here, which one it doesn't change? In the middle here. This one. Kejap saya guna warna. This one. Kan? If you look there, it's going to be divided equally. Kan? So the scale, the center here is going to be negative 5, negative 4. Okay? With our center at the center. At center 5, negative 5, negative 4. Can? Okay, given that the area of the food court P is 60 meters square. Okay, 60 meters is going to be what, girls? Object. This is going to be the area of object. Okay, the question, calculate the area in meter square of the colored region. Colored region is going to be what? Our shaded region. Colored region is going to be the shaded one. Is it going to be include the non-shaded there? Q? Maksudnya kena buat apa? You have to find your image, and after that you have to minus the object inside there, isn't it? So, first we are going to find what first? Area of the whole our image first. Kan? So you are using area of image. It's going to be what? K square. Where's our K? Negative 5 over 2 square times with the area of object here is going to be 60. So find for me negative. Negative is positive for 25 over 4. 25 over 4 times with 60. So 15 you are going to get? 375. Kan? That's going to be the area of the whole image. But the question is asking for the colored region, which is the shaded. So we are going to minus with? Yes, we are going to minus with the 60. So area of colored is going to be 375 minus with 60. So we are going to get 315. Apa ni? Dia punya ni, meter square. Can, girls? Boleh. Thank you for our, what is this? 5.3D. Done. Okay, stop dulu.